morning, my dear students. It is part 6 MSET. These questions are in 2019 MSET questions. Particularly, these are May 3rd second shift questions. We discussed that questions. Very simple questions. You can easily answer that questions. Nearly for 5 videos are over. Now we are going to the 6th part. Look here, look carefully, listen carefully. Sin h of log 2 plus root 5 plus cos h of log 2 plus root 3. Sin hx, you have a formula, e power x minus e power minus x by 2. Cos hx, e power x plus e power minus x by 2. But here, x is different in both the numbers. Here 2 plus root 5, here 2 plus root 3. Now, individually calculated e power log of this, e power log, if you take this as x, e power log of this, that is 2 plus root 5. So, first one, 2 plus root 5 minus e power x minus e power minus x. That means e power minus log. So that minus become 2 plus root 5 whole inverse. 2 plus 1 by 2 plus root 5. Rationalize that. Root 5 minus 2. So that become root 5 minus 2 by 2 plus cos h. Cos x is e power x plus e power minus x by 2. E power x 2 plus root 3 plus e power minus x, that means 2 plus root 3 whole power minus 1. That is, that rationalizing factor is 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 by 2 is there. So here root 3 cancel. Root 5 cancel. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Next, this also 2 plus 2, 4 by 2, 2. So answer is 4. But here, most of the students, their question is very simple, but they are losing the marks because of selecting the option is wrong. What happened here? You are getting answer is 4. Automatically, you select the option 4. But here, fourth option contains 1. It is wrong option. So, whatever the numerical you get that, you observe the options, that number in which option. Choose that option and you select that. Here, first option is the right answer. Now, next question. P1, P2, P3 are the altitudes of a triangle ABC drawn from the vertices from A, B, C respectively by usual notation. That means A, small b, small c are sides, capital A, capital B, capital C are angles, like that. Opposite to the angles. 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3. Here, P1 is altitude. So, P1 is altitude drawn from A to the opposite side. That is half into base A into height P1. That is area of the triangle. From this, P1 equal to 2 delta by A. You remember this point? P1 equal to 2 delta by A. 1 by P1, that become A by 2 delta. 1 by P2, B by 2 delta. 1 by P3, C by 2 delta. A plus B plus C by 2 delta. A plus B plus C is, 2S by 2 delta. That equal to S by delta. Very simple, direct. You can easily identify the answer. Very simple questions. You have to spend the time to that particular questions. Don't go to the difficult question. Look here. Next question. That is next question. Bag I contains 3 red and 4 black balls. Bag 2 contains 5 red and 6 black balls. If one ball is drawn at random from one of the bags and it was found to be red, then the probability that it will be drawn from bag 2. Bag 1 contains such type of balls, data is given, bag 2 contains. Okay, what is the probability of the red ball from bag 2? It belongs to the Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem, you refer Bayes theorem in regular concept, directly you can answer that. Look here. Bag 1 contains 3 red, 4. Total number of balls are 7. But with drawn ball is red ball. What is the probability of drawn ball is red is 3 by 7. Plus the red ball can be drawn from bag 2. That is 5 red, 6 black, total 11. Red balls are 5. So second bag red ball drawn probability is 5 by 11. But we want the drawn red ball from bag 2 up. That means 5 by 11. So simplify this 5 by 11 into LCM is 7 into 11 by 33 plus 35. Look here, 33 plus 35 by 7 into 11. Reverse. 11 cancel. Nothing but 35 by 68. 35 by 68. So here, second. But actually, in intermediate, in regular subjective question, that means IPA, its weightage is 7 marks weightage in IPA. Whereas in MSET, we have to decide that within 1 minute. So this way is the better way. This way is the better way. So don't write the steps each and every one. Now we are going to the next question. Next question, that is 2 dice A and B are rolled. 2 dice, one die A, another die B. If it is known that the number on B is 5, that means 2 dice are rolled, but B shows 5. That is fixed. That is the condition. That is given condition. Then the probability that the sum of the numbers on the 2 dice will be greater than 9. Okay? So it belongs to the conditional probability. What is the condition? B shows 5. B shows 5. That is fixed. A shows any number. That means 1, 5, like that. B shows 5. B fixed. A shows any number. The possibilities are 6. 6 possibilities are there. Random space restricted. B shows 5. A shows any number. 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 5. 6 numbers are there. 6 sample spaces according to the given condition. Now, the total is greater than 5, greater than 9. How is it possible? Greater than 4, 5. Wrong, because 9's total is 9. Don't take that 4, 5. Next, 5, 5. Next, 5, 5. 6, 5. 5, 5. 6, 5. So, favorable are 2 only. 2 by 6, that become 1 by 3. So, first option is the right answer. My dear students, some of my students ask a question, how to get good rank in MSET? What is, how to decide the rank versus marks? That. So in 2019, we have a data within today, maybe most probably today or tomorrow, I prepare one video, particularly from 2013 to 2019 analysis, marks versus analysis. You watch my videos till the end. Don't neglect, don't waste the time. This is the very crucial time. 2020 MSET target students are very crucial. Don't neglect. You concentrate on my videos. So definitely 100% I assure that 14 marks definite. Damn sure, minimum. Like now here in 2019, actually TSM set, that is 160 marks. Top mark is 150. The first ranker got 150 marks. And top 10, if you want top 10, so if 140 cutoff, those who are cross 140, they are getting below 10. Top 100, 126. 126, if you got 126 marks above. 1000, below 1000, 100. If you cross 100, there is a chance. Below 1000. Next, 10,000. 10,000. 67 marks. My dear students, very limited score, 67. But some of the students, most of the students, they are not able to score even 67 because of some tension, and as well as they are concentrate on unnecessary questions. They are concentrated on that, but those questions are there that takes 5 minutes time. Some questions, why unnecessarily we are going to that? Don't touch that type of questions. So we are focused that particular question. Maybe 4 or 5 questions are there that takes much time. Don't bother about that. Okay. So 67, that is in TS MSET. Whereas AP MSET, that also you observe that. Whereas AP MSET, that is top mark is 155. Top mark 155. In 2019, AP MSET top mark is 155. And top 10, 142. Below 140. If you cross below 10, that means cross 142 marks, 142 above marks. Top 100, 129 marks. Top 1000, below 1000, 99. If you score more than 99 in AP MSET, there is a chance of below 1000 rank. It is not a tough task. Very easy. By strategic way, you easily get the good marks. 10,000, top 10,000, that is 68. If you score more than 68, 10,000 below rank. 10,000 below rank is a good rank that is equivalent to some of NITs and some of IITs, no doubt at all. Okay. My dear students, watch my videos. In next video, we discuss 2018 as well as 2017, like that. We discuss one by one. Thank you, my dear students. All the best.